AI won't replace your people, but someone using AI might. The biggest risk is not that AI replaces your people overnight. The biggest risk is that your people get outperformed by people who know how to work with AI. That is a very different problem, and it changes the role of leadership completely. The wrong debate. A lot of leaders are stuck in the wrong debate. Will AI replace jobs? Will it not replace jobs? Are humans still needed? That debate creates noise. The better question is, which tasks should AI take over, and where do humans create the most value? That is where real strategy starts. The Neuro AI framework makes this distinction clearly. AI dominates the tasks while humans dominates context and decisions. Where AI wins, AI is already incredibly strong in certain areas. Pattern recognition, large-scale data processing, repetitive cognitive tasks, predictive analytics, language processing, optimizing problems. That does not mean AI is better than humans in some broad philosophical sense. It means AI is better at certain tasks. Tasks that require speed, scale, pattern detection, repetition, consistency. So if a person's entire role is built around those tasks like that, the role will be pressured. But that does not mean the person becomes less valuable. It means their value must move. Where humans still win. Humans still outperform AI in the areas that require judgment, context, ethics, trust, leadership, creativity, emotional intelligence, accountability. That is where the future of work becomes interesting. The premium on human work is shifting. It is moving from knowledge delivery to judgment, creativity, and trust. That means leaders need to stop protecting outdated tasks and start developing future-ready human value. Every leadership team should look at work through 3 categories: automate, augment, and human. Automate means the task no longer deserves human attention. Augment means AI helps the human perform better. Human means the task must stay deeply human because it requires trust, ethics, creativity, or judgment. For example, a report summary can be automated. A decision based on that report should be human-led. Customer data analysis can be augmented by AI. A difficult client conversation should remain human. Drafting ideas can be AI-assisted. Choosing the right message for a sensitive situation requires human judgment. That is why work redesign is one of the central parts of the Leadership Lab. Leaders identify opportunities, map AI to real business challenges, and redesign workflows for productivity and innovation. The future does not belong to people who compete with AI. It belongs to people who can work with it wisely, and the same is true for organizations. The winners will not simply be the companies with the biggest AI budgets. They will be the companies that redesign work faster, the companies that help people evolve faster than technology, the companies that know where machines should handle speed and where humans must still carry meaning. That is the new leadership challenge.